Did you know that YouTube will share your content with people that have no idea you exist? When you create your content the right way, they'll test it on a small group of people. If it resonates with them, they'll share it to more people. This means you can even reach thousands of people with one video. How do I know? On January 9th, 2025, my channel received 4,657 new viewers. These are viewers that discovered my channel for the first time in the selected period. Only 263 were returning viewers. These are viewers who already watched my channel previously and returned to watch in the selected time period. Here's a video I uploaded recently that's got almost 6,000 views. Each day, it's attracted 663 new viewers and only 51 returning viewers. This means the content is attracting new viewers that don't even know I exist. This shorts video has received over 113,000 views since it was published. 99.9% of the viewers that watch a shorts video weren't even subscribed to my channel. Only 0.1% of the viewers were subscribed to my channel. So you can see that both long-form videos and shorts attract new viewers as long as you create the right content. So how do you create content that attracts the right viewers? YouTube says our algorithm doesn't pay attention to videos, it pays attention to viewers. So rather than trying to make videos that'll make the algorithm happy, focus on making videos that make your viewers happy. How do you make videos that keep your viewers happy? Choose a niche you're passionate about. For example, I started my channel in 2006 and I'm still going strong 19 years later. Keep in mind that most people that start YouTube give up after several months because their videos aren't going viral or they only get a few views. YouTube is the hardest social media platform to master. Therefore, if you're passionate about your niche, it'll be easier to keep going. Know your target audience. The more you know about your target audience, the easier it will be to create the right content for them. One way to do this is to research your competitors' channels. Study the top performing videos, the titles, thumbnails, descriptions, and how they present the content. Read the comments below the videos to see what kind of questions the audience is asking. Make a list of the 20 or 30 frequently asked questions in your niche that make videos about them. You can also go to answerthepublic.com to discover what people are talking about on different social media sites. Link is in the description. For example, if I enter fitness, select YouTube, then click search, I get 96 questions. Some example questions include, are fitness trackers worth it? How fitness app works on the iPhone? Which fitness band is most accurate? Why fitness is more important than weight? Explore and brainstorm video ideas using the Inspiration tab. For example, I click on the Content tab in YouTube Studio, then select Inspiration tab. I can explore and brainstorm video ideas related to my channel. Under Let's Brainstorm, I insert Channel Growth, then click Create Ideas. And here are all the ideas that YouTube came up with based upon the level of interest. For example, this one says hidden YouTube features that boost growth, very high interest. If I click on it, it'll give me an outline, your titles, and suggested thumbnails. If I need more inspiration, I can just select one of these titles. Narrow your niche. Instead of trying to appeal to everybody, try to appeal to a smaller group of people so you'll get more engagement. For example, this fitness channel has over 13.9 million subscribers. If I click on more, it shows what the channel is about. This is where you can find all the latest free workouts, nutrition, training advice to get on your way to a healthy, leaner, more muscular, athletic body by training like an athlete. Niching down will create a more focused audience. For example, the Knees Over Toes Guy channel focuses on helping you to have less knee pain and more knee ability with or without equipment. He already has 1.73 million subscribers with only 37 videos. If you solve the biggest problems of your target audience, they'll be fully engaged with the content and attract tons of views and subscribers. Tell a story. People connect with stories more than facts. Use storytelling to make your content memorable and relatable, such as sharing personal experiences, challenges, and victories. Start your video with a strong hook, such as an intriguing question or a surprising fact. For example, here's how I started this video you're currently watching. Did you know that YouTube will share your content with people that have no idea you exist? Structure your video with a clear beginning, middle, and end. End your video with a strong takeaway that leaves the audience feeling satisfied. Alternatively, you can link to a related video or playlist in the end screen to keep the viewers watching. YouTube says you can increase the chance of YouTube suggesting your content by increasing your click-through rate and your video watch time. Click-through rate refers to the percentage of people that watch a video after seeing the title and thumbnail. If no one clicks on your video, you'll have wasted all that time creating your video for nothing. Therefore, create a thumbnail that stands out from your competitors in the search engines to win the click. Watch time refers to how long people remain engaged on your video or continue watching multiple videos in a row therefore staying longer on the YouTube platform. You can achieve this by linking to a related video or playlist in the end screen of the video that the viewer has just watched. You can check the audience retention for a specific video in YouTube Analytics by clicking on the Engagement tab. For example, 75% of viewers are still watching this video after 30 seconds. This increases the probability of viewers watching the video all the way through, leading to more views and subscribers. As you can see, this video has gotten over 27,000 views since it was published, gained 141 subscribers, and made $193. Most of the traffic comes from YouTube search. This means they're discovering the video on YouTube based upon the search terms they're entering into YouTube search. Experiment with different types of content to see what works. Not all viewers will like your long-form videos. Therefore, it's worth experimenting with shorts to see what resonates with your audience. Some may even want longer-form content such as podcasts or live streams. If you want to see what I learned by uploading shorts daily for 30 days, watch this video. Link is in the description. Keep in mind, not every experiment is going to be a hit, but that's okay. The goal is to learn and refine your approach to see what kind of content resonates the best with your audience. Be authentic. Authenticity is your superpower. Your audience can sense if you're genuine, and that builds trust with them. Here's a comment from one of my subscribers. The authenticity speaks volumes in your work. I'm new on YouTube and media. I started on August 8th. I've been following you ever since for ideas and inspiration for information. Thank you. Instead of trying to copy your competitors, lean into what makes you unique. You can do this by being honest about your journey and struggles, share your quirks and personality in your videos, and engage with the audience like you're talking to a friend. Encourage engagement. Engagement is the key to building a community on your channel. Ask your audience questions, encourage them to share their thoughts, and respond to their comments. For example, I use the community tab to poll my audience. For this poll, I asked the question, what's your current biggest challenge with YouTube? 67% chose create content that resonates with my audience. That poll was the inspiration for creating the video you're currently watching. You can also use the community tab to post images, promote your latest video, or quiz your audience. Comment below what niche you're passionate about. When viewers feel you're listening to them, they're more likely to stick around and keep returning to consume more of your content. Start a conversation in your comments. For example, I got 33 responses by pinning this question to the top of my comments. Instead of just saying something generic like thanks for watching, you can engage in a deeper conversation. Use calls to action throughout your videos, such as hit the like button if this content has been helpful. Subscribe and click get notified if you want to receive more tips like this. Here's a hot tip. Creating content that resonates with your audience takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Focus on understanding your viewers, solve their biggest problems in your videos, and stay authentic. If you do this, you'll attract the right viewers and build a loyal community that loves your content. Is there a way to make the YouTube algorithm work for you, even if you have a small channel? Watch the video on the screen right now on how to make the YouTube algorithm love your small channel in 2025 and beyond. You'll be glad you did.